to release the pending money for NGCDF so that even new members of parliament can begin to rubber stamp their entry into political leadership by at least launching projects within their constituency, because as we speak today, Honorable Speaker, there is nothing they can write home about, and we hope that our economy will quick to improve so that the money can keep flowing and we can keep to continue paying our bursaries for our children, continue building and improving our educational infrastructure for our various schools across this country. And as I finish, Honorable Speaker, I wish that even county governments, they should borrow or live on how NGCDF is managed, so that we also don't want to hear of situations where we have pending bills, projects that were abandoned by some previous people, projects that are initiated and they have no impact to the people. With these very few remarks, Honorable Speaker, I wish to support this motion.
Karoli Omondi.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. I write to add my voice, though you've surprised me a little. I thought it would take a longer time, so I'd not crystallized my thoughts.
You are nearly on the top of my screen.
But I think the work that we do with the NGCDF is quite clear, can be seen everywhere. But so far we've had some difficulty